Hello everyone. In our last videos, we talked about various properties of rational numbers. We spoke about closure property, commutative property, associative property. Now in this session, we are going to talk about four different things. Those are additive identity, multiplicative identity, additive inverse, and multiplicative inverse. So let's talk about additive identity first. So additive identity is defined as if I have a rational number minus 2 upon 5, then which other rational number can be added into that so that the answer which I get is the same rational number. I had originally this rational number. I want to add another rational number which gives me answer as my first rational number. What is this number? We have seen that additive identity for whole numbers as well as for integers is 0. So let's see if that is same for rational numbers as well. So if I add 0 into this rational number, what will I get? So if I do this sum below here, minus 2 upon 5, write 0 as 0 upon 5. What will I get? Denominator is same. And then minus 2 plus 0. Minus 2 plus 0 remains as minus 2. So I'm going to get the same fraction. So we can very well say that 0 is our additive identity for rational numbers. Now let's talk about multiplicative identity. Now how it is defined, let's see. If I have a rational number minus 2 upon 5, which other rational number I should multiply so that I get the answer as minus 2 upon 5. Now we know if we multiply any number, what we need to do is multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So now numerator is minus 2, here also numerator is minus 2. So if I want to get minus 2 multiplied by something equal to minus 2, that has to be plus 1. So I will need plus 1 at the top. Now what should be the denominator? Denominator 5, here also denominator 5. So we have seen in whole numbers, 1 is the multiplicative identity of whole numbers. So 5 into 1 is going to give me 5. So it has to be 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1. So we know that multiplicative identity for rational numbers is 1. Now let's talk about additive inverse. Now how do we define additive inverse? If I have a rational number, let's say minus 2 upon 5, and if I add any other rational number, I should get 0. Now how do we do that? How do I get a 0? So let's see. So if I have minus 2 upon 5, I need to get 0 upon 5. So which means here my denominator is 5, here my denominator is 5. So this number should have denominator as 5, so that the denominator stays same. So we know what is the denominator of this number. Now minus 2 plus something is 0. So we know that in integers the additive inverse is just change the sign. So minus 2 plus 2 is going to be equal to 0. So additive inverse of minus 2 upon 5 is plus 2 upon 5. So to find additive inverse, so we'll keep the weight as it is. Weight is 2 upon 5. So 2 by 5 weight as it is, and the sign here is minus, here we need plus. So we don't need to write plus sign. So additive inverse of minus 2 upon 5 is plus 2 upon 5. Let's talk about multiplicative inverse. So again, minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by some rational number should give me answer as 1. So now how do I do it? Let's see if I have a number 2. And if I need to get answer as 1, I need to divide this 2 by the same number. If I divide it by the same number, I get answer 1. Correct? If I have 3 and if I want the answer to be 1, I can divide 3 by 3, then I get answer 1. So if I have minus 2.5, I want to get answer as 1, I should divide minus 2.5 by minus 2.5. When we talk about division of rational numbers, the dividend remains same. The division sign becomes multiplication, and this becomes the reciprocal, minus 5 upon. And that is going to give me answer as 1. So multiplicative inverse of a rational number is its reciprocal. Reciprocal of the number is our multiplicative inverse in case of rational numbers. There is more to the rational numbers than what you have seen in this video. We have so many of rational number videos which you need to watch along with this video. So don't forget to watch other videos as well. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications when we upload new videos. Till we meet next time, bye bye.